Screen, black. White text slams in, I spent $1,000 on AI. Hold 1 second. Text shatters and reforms as here's the truth. AI is robbing you blind and you don't even know it. Cut to host, intense close-up, no smile. I spent exactly $1,012 on artificial intelligence tools last month. 47 different products. 31 subscriptions. 16 one-time purchases. Text overlay, $1,012 spent. 47 products tested. Only 3 of them were worth a single penny. The rest? Digital garbage wrapped in a pretty interface. Cut to host, medium shot. Here's exactly what I bought, what failed, and the 3 tools that are so good they feel like cheating. B-roll, scrolling through a massive receipt list, prices highlighted in red. But first, you need to understand how these companies trick you. Split screen, left side shows flashy AI demo videos. Right side shows actual output, mediocre, generic results. Every artificial intelligence company does the same thing. They show you a demo that makes your jaw drop. Then you pay. Then you realize the demo was the only thing the tool can do well. Text overlay, the demo trap. I call this the demo trap. And I fell for it 22 times last month. Cut to host. The worst part? Most people never realize they're trapped. They pay month after month for tools they use once and forget about. Zoom in slowly on host's face. But here's where it gets interesting. B-roll, a counter ticking up from $0 to $500, then $1,000 each tick represents a failed purchase. After burning through $500 on garbage, I almost quit. I thought the entire industry was a scam. And honestly, 90% of it is. Cut to host, sudden energy shift. But that remaining 10%? It's so powerful it makes up for everything else. Text overlay, the 10%. Animation, a pile of 47 tool icons. One by one, 44 of them catch fire and disappear. 3 remain, glowing. Out of 47 products, only 3 survived my testing. 3 tools that I now use every single day. 3 tools that have already saved me more money than I spent on them. Cut to host. Here's the first one. B-roll, screen recording, someone typing a complex question, AI responding with detailed accurate answer. The number 1 artificial intelligence tool worth your money is not sexy. It's not new. It has no flashy website. But it is the single most useful piece of software I own. I'm talking about paying for the premium version of a major AI model. Text overlay, Claude Pro, $20 per month. Split screen, free version output versus paid version output. Paid version is significantly longer, more detailed, more accurate. Here's what the free versions don't tell you. The paid AI models are not the same product. They're not just faster. They are fundamentally smarter. Chart showing, free model accuracy 72%. Paid model accuracy 94%. I tested this. Same questions. Same prompts. The paid model gave correct answers 94% of the time. The free version? 72%. Cut to host. That's a 22-point difference. That's the gap between passing a test and failing it. B-roll, someone using Claude to write code, then switching to business plan, then email drafting. I use it to write, to code, to plan, to research. $20 a month sounds like nothing until you realize what it replaces. A research assistant. A writing coach. A coding tutor. All for the price of 2 sandwiches. Cut to host, slight smile dropping. But here's the part nobody talks about. Text overlay, the hidden cost. The AI model alone is not enough. You need something else. Something that makes it 10 times more useful. Pattern interrupt, screen flashes white. New angle of host, closer to camera. This is where my second pick comes in. And this one shocked me. B-roll, perplexity interface, someone typing a question, getting answers with real citations, links to source.